Don't tell my husband, but this is his shirt. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I told y'all I'm coming back. I know I was slacking last year, but this year I have a plan that I personally believe is going to work, and I'm apologizing for me being MIA on and off of YouTube, but on TikTok too. So I don't know, I have a mental problem. But like I told y'all, I was going to do the Cardi B mask. Today I'm going to be applying the mask, washing out the mask, and showing you guys the aftermath. And within all of the other videos that I'm going to be doing, I will let you know how the mask has done on my hair. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys the scripture of the day. We're going to take it all the way to Psalms chapter 100 verse 1. It reads, "Shout for joy to the Lord, all the earth. Worship the Lord with gladness. Come before him with joyful songs. Know that the Lord is God. It is he who made us, and we are his. We are his people, the sheep of his pasture." So, without further ado, let's get right into this video. But the first thing, and I have a mirror right here. So, the first thing that you do have to do is section your hair. Well, not necessarily section it, just make a part, okay? Make a part. I'm gonna split it up and pin it up. Now I have some warm water to penetrate my hair. That way, you know, it can know like, oh, Crystal's getting ready to do something, you know. What's your hair? Getting ready. Let me move my phone because I'm tripping. Stir this bad boy up. Now this is a very messy task, okay? I do have a towel in the back of me. So let's go. It's so cold that I had it in the fridge, but let's go ahead and apply it. It smells, it reeks of bananas. You can really smell the bananas. Let me put this right here so I can see what I'm doing, so you guys can also see. It reeks bananas. Make sure you get some on your ends. And I was also reading that you can probably use this mask. Don't quote me, because I would need to do more research first. But you can probably use this mask at least, I believe 2 times a week. But me personally, I'm gonna try to use it all today because I had it sitting in the fridge. Y'all see this hair when I act up? It's giving me trouble already. Did I waste so much? Oh my god. I should have taken my wedding ring. It's okay, it's already done. It's already on there. Maybe you can do that stuff in the background. I haven't washed laundry. This is all you're doing. Is really putting it in there. And don't be stingy with it. Use a generous amount. Okay. Okay, Cardi. Okay. Be careful with me. If you know what you're doing, the feelings that you're hurting and bruising, you're gonna be around the world with a girl. Be careful with me. That's what she said. She said, be careful with me. piece, y'all. The last piece, ladies and gentlemen. I do need to, I have bought, what you call it? I have bought a 2023 calendar. You know, I want to put it in my office. But you know, when I was growing up, they used to say, don't look at the calendar, don't open it unless that is here. So I forgot where I put it. So I have to actually find where I put it so I can put it up and mark the dates down and down and down and down and down and down. So yeah, it looks like I have it all in. I have some of my glasses too. My glasses said, oh, Crystal, I'm moisturized. Go get your glasses. I personally noticed that instead of the mask giving what it was supposed to give, it didn't do that for my hair. It actually dried it. So maybe it's because it's so rich in all of the vitamins and everything. Maybe that's why. Like, you know, my hair is probably not used to it. So unfortunately, it's a fail for me, but just because it's a fail for me doesn't mean that it would be a fail for you. So I'm trying to trap in my moisture back, you know. If you personally feel like I did something wrong with the Cardi B mask, if you don't mind, just comment your thoughts down below and I will read them. And I won't give up yet on the mask. I'm gonna try it again, but I need to figure out what I need to do for my hair because everyone's hair is different, you know? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have not, make sure that you like and subscribe. Also follow my social medias. I will make sure it's popping up here and down here. Other than that, see you till next time. Peace.